You're about to earn 30,000 to 40,000 using this crypto arbitrage opportunity. Okay, you can also call it dollar arbitrage opportunity, and you can as well call it triangular arbitrage opportunity. Right now, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps you're going to use in order to make a whole lot of money using this arbitrage opportunity that I'm going to reveal to you guys in today's video. Right now, in case you're coming across this channel, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline business and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do well to join this wonderful family by clicking the subscription button of this channel. Yes, I'm talking to you that is watching this video right now. Click the subscription button to join this wonderful family. Now, if you're still here to like this video, I want you to use 3 seconds of your time to click the like button of this video. The reason why I'm asking you to click the like button of this video is that you are going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. Okay, so do well to click the like button of this video in appreciation. Now we're going to be making use of 3 platforms, and I'll be revealing the platform step by step. Right, so let me quickly go into the first platform we're going to be making use of in today's arbitrage. Let's go, guys. Now, the first platform we're going to be making use of is called DUNDLE. Okay, it's called DUNDLE. And then what we're going to be doing in this platform is that we're going to be buying gift card. Okay, we're going to be buying gift card. So once you log into this platform, the first thing I would want you to do is to click over here in order to change this US flag to your country's flag. Okay, so it depends on where you are staying. All right, so you have to click on the flag and you have to click over here. All right, so once you click here, you are going to see drop down menu that contains different countries. You can see United States, Australia, Italy, Poland, Spain, Mexico, Portugal, and the rest of them. So what you have to do is just to scroll down and look for your own country, whether you stay in Kenya, whether you stay in Ghana, whether you stay in Rwanda, South Africa, either any country that you are staying in. But if you couldn't find it while scrolling, I would want you to do something for me. Just click over here, use this search button to search your country. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to click on Nigeria, and then I'm going to click over here in order to save this setting or these changes. Okay, so once I click on the save changes, you are going to see that this United flag has changed to my country, which is Nigeria. Now, after changing that, the next thing I would want you to do is that you are going to be buying a gift card. So what is the name of the gift card we are going to be buying? The name of the gift card we're going to buy in today's arbitrage, just for the sake of this video, is called Steam card. Okay, so we have to search for Steam card. So what you have to do is to scroll down and click on these gift cards. Okay, so once you click on it, it is going to take you to different gift card. Now you just have to search or scroll down in order to find Steam. But if you cannot find it while scrolling down, what I would want you to do is to use this search button. Okay, just click on this search button and then type Steam. Okay, so Steam will come out. Steam. So once you type Steam, you are going to see it over here. Just select on Steam gift card. Okay, so we're going to select on Steam gift card. Now, these are Steam gift card. The next thing I would want you to do, I want you to change this currency to USD. As you can see that this currency is in euro. Okay, we are going to change it to USD. Okay, now this is what we are going to do. Click over here, then change it to USD. Now, once we must have changed it to USD, we are going to select the gift card we are going to be buying based on the amount. So we are going to choose, let's say, $100 gift card. Okay, over here, $100 gift card. Now I would want you to pen this amount down so you don't forget. All right, pen it down so you follow me step by step. If you have gotten to this point, I want you to let me know by clicking the like button of this video. Okay, go ahead and smash the like button of this video. If you are still here to subscribe to this channel, do well to join us by smashing the subscription button of this channel to join this wonderful family. Now, the amount we are going to be getting, or we are going to be buying this $100 Steam gift card, is 46,184 naira. Okay, now let's click on buy. Okay, so you see the process you are going to be following or going to be taking in order to make a purchase of this $100 gift card. Now once you click on buy, it is going to add another extra charge of 1036.19 kobo. Okay, 1036 naira 0.19 kobo, which is cost for service. As you can see it over here, cost for service. Okay, so the total amount you are going to be buying this Steam gift card is 47,220 naira. Okay, 0.57 kobo. That is the total amount you are going to be spending in order to buy this Steam gift card. Now the next thing I would want you to do is to click over here. Okay, click over here, checkout, in order to buy this gift card. So let's click on checkout. So once you click on checkout, the next thing you are going to do is to type in your email address right inside this box. Okay, once you type in your email address inside this box, you are going to click on checkout. You are going to see different method of payments: PayPal, FXC, card method of payment, Apple Pay, and the rest of them. All right, so just scroll down and make a choice. Okay, choose a particular method you are going to use in buying this, but I would want you to use card method of payment because I think that's the simplest one. All right, card method of payment. So once you must have selected the method of payment, the next thing is to buy this gift card. Now remember how much we are going to be getting this Steam gift card is for 47,220 naira. I'm sure you must have written it somewhere. Now let's say we must have gotten this gift card. We're going to be moving to the second platform. That is where we are going to be selling this gift card. So let's go, guys. I'm sure you must have liked this video, right? Go ahead. If you're yet to like this video, go ahead and smash the like button. All right, and if you're still yet to subscribe to this channel, do it to subscribe to the channel. All right, join this wonderful family by subscribing to the channel. For you that must have liked this video, I want to tell you well done. All right, now let's move to the second platform where we are going to sell this gift card. Let's go, guys. Now the name of the second platform we are going to be making use of in order to sell this gift card is called coincola. My previous video, I also made video concerning coincola. All right, coincola is a very nice platform. Now let's say you've logged into this platform. The next thing I would want you to do is to click over here that says gift card trade. Right now, once you click on gift card trade, what I want you to do next is to click over here. If you are not seeing Bitcoin, I want you to click and choose Bitcoin. And the next thing I want you to do after selecting Bitcoin is to click over here to select the name of the gift card you are going to be selling. All right, so let's go, guys. Click here and you're going to scroll up and search for Steam gift card. But if you couldn't find, just click on the search button, search box here, and type Steam. Okay, so once you type on Steam, you're going to see it here. So click on Steam. Now we're going to be selecting a merchant whom we are going to be selling this gift card for. Now in selecting a merchant, always look out for the number of the trades they've made. This person has made up to 14,000, over 14,000 trades. All right, so we're going to be choosing the first merchant. Let's go, guys. Click on buy and we're going to type in the $100 right inside this box. Okay, now for $100 gift card, we're going to be getting this amount of Bitcoin. Okay, we're going to be getting this amount of Bitcoin. So let me quickly copy it so we remember. So all right, now let's say we must have gotten this Bitcoin. All right, now we're going to proceed to the place we're going to be selling this Bitcoin, and that is where we're going to be calculating our profit and know whether we're going to be making money or we're going to be making loss. All right, now if I've gotten to this extent, I want you to tell me by clicking the like button. Let me know by clicking the like button. All right, I told you you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in today's video, so do it to smash that like button right now. Smash the like button. If you are still here to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and smash the subscription button and join this beautiful family. All right, so let me quickly go to the third platform where we're going to be selling this Bitcoin that we just bought from this coincola platform, and we're going to calculate and see whether we're going to make profit or we're going to make loss. Let's go, guys. Now the third platform we are going to be making use of is called Binance. All right, it's called Binance. I'm going to leave the link of all these platforms in the description of this video, or I'm still going to pin it in the comment section. Right now, once you must have logged into this platform called Binance, the first thing I want you to do is to click over here. Okay, click over here that says trades. Right, click on trades. Once you click on trades, the next thing I want you to do is to click over here that says P2P. Okay, in order to go to P2P market. Now once you go to P2P market, I want you to click over here. All right, I want you to click over here that says sell. Once you click on sell, then click on BTC. Why? Because we are going to sell BTC. Now let me clear something. We sold our gift card in coincola. All right, we sold it in order to get Bitcoin, and then after selling it, we've gotten Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin is in coincola. So the next thing we are going to do is to send that Bitcoin which you bought over to this platform called Binance. All right, now let's say you must have received this Bitcoin in Binance. Now the next thing you have to do is to sell. That is the reason why I'm clicking on sell. All right, now once you must have clicked on sell, the next thing you have to do is to click on Bitcoin. Okay, because we are selling Bitcoin, so you have to select Bitcoin. Now as you must have selected Bitcoin, the next thing you have to do is to use filter over here. Okay, because all these merchants that you are seeing here, their limit is starting from 2 million. All right, 2 million, and what you are selling is not up to 2 million, so you have to click on filter in order to filter the amount that you are selling. So let's type in 10,000 naira. Okay, click on confirm. Now let's choose a random merchant in order to sell. All right, remember the amount we are going to be getting after selling the $100 gift card, and remember how much the $100 gift card cost us to buy in naira, which is 47,000 naira. Okay, so we are going to paste the Bitcoin here. All right, in order to see if we are making profit or we are making loss. Now this is the Bitcoin which we bought in coincola. This is how much we are going to be getting, 58,000 naira. Remember how much we bought the gift card was around 47,220 naira, and after selling this Bitcoin we are going to be getting 58,816 naira. Okay, so let me quickly go into my calculator and see how much profit we are going to be making. Stay with me, guys. Selling this Bitcoin in Binance, we are going to be getting 58,816 naira, and remember how much we bought this gift card in naira was 47,220 naira. So we are going to get a profit of 11,596 naira. And remember one thing, guys, this arbitrage is repeatedly. All right, means that you can do it over and over again. All right, it's not something that we are going to do only once. All right, you can also do it repeatedly. All right, now let's say you are going to trade at least 3 times or 4 times in a day. All right, let's see how much you are going to be getting. You are going to be making a whooping 46,384 naira. 46,000 naira, guys. This is really profitable. All right, I would want you to jump into this and make a whole lot of money for yourself. I told you the reason why I asked you to like this video is because you are going to get a whole lot of value into this video. If you are still here to like this video, go ahead and give this video a like. Click the like button to show appreciation of the value you just got into this video. And if you are still here to join this beautiful family, do well to smash the like button and smash the subscription button in order to join this wonderful family. All right, go ahead, like this video, smash the subscription button to join this family. Go into this arbitrage and make a whole lot of money for yourself. And I want you to always remember that Leo loves you. Keep winning, guys.